Greetings from the Sunshine State. A few weeks ago, when I did the comparison of various silicone oils, I promised I'd show you how I clean off the residue off the canvases. It's important to take the silicone oil off the surface before doing any resin finish or varnishing. So what I use is pure cornstarch. I used to use baby powder, but I find that the cornstarch is less expensive and it does the trick. It doesn't fly so much all over the place. So I put some in this little cup. And what I do is I just liberally dump it over the surface, spread it all over to cover. And then I take a toothbrush and I just make gentle circles, especially if there are areas where you know there are where there's silicone oil sitting on the surface. This just kind of rubs in the cornstarch, gets it to work. So I do that over the entire surface, and then I let it sit, usually overnight, so that the oil can be absorbed into the cornstarch. And then the next day I do the same. I do some more of this, rubbing with the little brush, toothbrush or whatever. And then I take the cornstarch off. I actually reuse it. I've had this for a couple years now, so I just put it back. It can be a messy job. Usually I do it in my kitchen and I have cornstarch powder everywhere. And then you just take a damp cloth, take off the excess. I was going to do it on two, but I think one is enough. You get the idea. And then I take a little bit of warm water and put in a drop of Dawn dishwashing liquid. The Dawn cuts the grease. Just give that a stir. And then just dip a paper towel or a soft cloth in, and then wipe the surface of your canvas gently to take off any residue and dry it. Then I usually rinse it. Sometimes I just do it under the kitchen tap, rinse the whole thing, but right now I'll just apply a little water, wipe it off to make sure that all the soap is off, and then just let it dry and you're good to go. All the residue should be off. Let me know if you have any questions. That's it for today. Short video. Have a good day. So what I do is I just dump a lot of cornstarch. Not that much. I'm going to start all over. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.